One of the most important things to decide when you're starting a credit repair business is what your prices will be and whether you should use a pay-per-delete model or a recurring revenue model. If you price your services too high, you might turn customers away. But if you price them too low, it makes it impossible to grow your revenue in the long term. That's why in the brand new advanced masterclass that we're creating right now at Credit Repair Cloud, we are going to deep dive into this, and we're even going to give you charts to reference that make it super easy. But since it's not available yet, I want to share a couple quick tips so they may help you to make those decisions while you wait, okay? And as I dive in, be sure to click that like button or leave me a comment, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more of these tips. And if you want to get access to our brand new advanced masterclass before we release it to the public, then click the link below this video and get on the wait list. Now, with credit repair, it's important to understand any federal and state regulations which may have parameters on how much and when in the process you can charge for your services. As you make this decision, remember the goal is to scale your business, to make money while you sleep, and to leverage the secret to wealth. So how do you do that? Recurring revenue. When you charge any other way, you get paid by the hour or by the deletion, and you will never get rich that way. Instead, you'll always be chasing the money. But with recurring revenue, you leverage the secret to wealth, and you make money while you sleep, and you can scale as fast as you want to. A recurring revenue business is kind of like a subscription where the customer pays every month, like a magazine or your cell phone bill or your cable bill. And it works like this. If you charge your clients an affordable monthly fee and you give an awesome value so they continue to pay you, and then you add a few more clients every month, your revenue will grow larger every month, which is what you want, right? Now, credit repair is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hard work, but it really pays off. For example, if you get 30 clients who each pay you $99 a month, that's $3,000 a month in revenue. And if you add just one new client every day, imagine how quickly that starts to add up. By month 6, you could be making over $17,000 a month, and by month 12, you could be making over $33,000 a month. And all you have to do is add more clients every month, and your business keeps growing. That's it. So the fastest way to accumulate wealth is with recurring revenue, and it's super easy to scale if you're using the Credit Repair Cloud software, because the work per client is minimal, sometimes just a few minutes per month for each client, because the software does everything for you, okay? And if you don't use the software yet, you can claim a free 30-day trial right now at creditrepaircloud.com. Now, as simple and scalable as recurring revenue is, I don't want to make it sound like it's your only option, okay? It's simply your best option. There are two primary payment models that most credit repair companies use to charge for their services. They are monthly recurring revenue and pay-per-delete. Nearly all of the most successful credit repair businesses, they charge a monthly recurring subscription, just like we already talked about. Now, many charge as low as $59 a month, and some charge as much as $199 or more. Now, the sweet spot is $99 a month, because that is affordable for your clients and profitable for you. Generally speaking, most credit repair companies charge a first work fee after the first work has been completed. And then after that, they typically charge a monthly fee after the previous monthly work has been completed. So if you decide to use the monthly recurring revenue billing model, my recommendation is to charge close to $99 for a first work fee and $99 a month. Okay, next let's look at the pay per delete billing model. This model is particularly difficult to master, and it causes you to have to spend a ton of time chasing down your payments. Most credit repair companies that use this model, they charge a first work fee and then a specific fee amount for each different type of deletion. Removing incorrect personal information or inquiries are typically the lowest price deletion, which is usually priced at around $25 a bureau. Standard collections and charge-offs and repossessions, medical bills and late payments, for example, those can be priced at $50 per deletion for each bureau. And then public records like judgments, tax liens, or bankruptcies are priced much higher in the $150 to $250 range per bureau. Keep in mind, with the pay per delete model, if you're good at what you do and if you achieve a high number of deletions, your client can end up owing you a very large amount of money. And if you expect to collect all of it all at once, you're probably going to be disappointed because clients generally don't have those kinds of funds available. To avoid problems collecting payments, many of the credit repair companies that use the pay per delete model, they'll schedule a monthly follow-up call to discuss the monthly invoice and to determine a schedule to collect their fees. Many will let the client know before the process starts that regardless of the number of deletions on any given month, the monthly charge will not exceed a certain amount, usually in the range of $100 to $150, so that the client can more easily afford the payment and so that there aren't any big surprises. Choosing the billing model that's right for you is a personal decision. But if you look at the most successful credit repair businesses, and I'm talking about those that are really leveraging their wealth so that they can make money in their sleep, you're going to come to the same conclusion that I have. Recurring revenue is the way to go. Now, in the Advanced Masterclass, we're going to dive into this more in depth and give you resources to help you to make the decision that's right for you. So if you want to make sure that you're the first to get access to our Advanced Masterclass that's coming out soon, click the link below this video to get on the wait list today. And if you're just dabbling and you want to launch your very own credit repair business in just a couple weeks, then go to CreditHeroChallenge.com. And I'll see you soon. Bye! Hey everybody, it's Daniel again, and really quick, I'd like to invite you to join what I believe is the best thing we have ever created inside the Credit Repair Cloud community. And it is a challenge that we call the Credit Hero Challenge. If you're just planning out your business or you're just getting it started and you dream of having a successful business of your own so you can quit your 9-to-5 and fire your boss and have financial freedom, or so you can add another revenue stream to your existing business, if that's your dream, you need to get into this challenge. We created this challenge to help you to create and launch your very own credit repair business, to build a proper foundation for a really successful business. This challenge is going to help you to understand the strategy, the tactics, and all the things you need to be successful at credit repair. It really is the greatest thing we have ever built, and it will change your life. So I recommend you do it right now. Stop everything, pause this audio, go online, and go to CreditHeroChallenge.com. That's CreditHeroChallenge.com and join the next challenge. And there's a challenge that's starting in just a few days, so go get started right now at CreditHeroChallenge.com.